All right, went to the photo shoot, Tallahassee, Florida. Wonderful shoot with the Vibe Shearwater 125. Oh, just wait till the boat hits the market. Great boat, easy to pedal, easy to paddle, so stable. I mean, oh my God, you can walk around on it. Photo shoot went awesome. Weather was terrible, but we worked through it and got some good pictures. Now, here's the problem. Left at 1 o'clock this morning because I missed my wife. Missed my doggy. Driving on the road, coming back, running about 65 miles per hour, and bam! Hit a deer. Big buck. It killed him instantly. It didn't feel nothing. So, it could have been a lot worse. We could have died. I mean, if the deer would have been in the windshield, it could have been awful, 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 awful. So, we lived. Great photo shoot. But I wanted to share that with you. We're here in Eufaula, Alabama, Precision Body Works. The trailer is at the record company, and then we're going to, when it's fixed, come back, pick the truck up, go get the kayak trailer, and head back home in a few weeks. It'll be a good reason to come visit Eufaula, right at Lake Eufaula. That's awesome. I'll show you some of this. I got doo-doo on my fender and all the way on my back fender. I mean, wow. Poor deer. I hate it for them. I mean, I knocked the crap out of the deer. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya. Got it good. Got it good. All the antifreeze done. Let's hope they don't total it. This is my baby. Look at there. It said that guy was in that wreck and walked away without even a scratch. It's amazing. Somebody was riding with him in the passenger seat. The good Lord. Wow. All right, everybody, I got my truck back. Let me catch you up, and I might be repeating myself because it's been a while since I recorded before, but went for a photo shoot for Vibe on the new Shearwater 125, and when I was on my way back, a deer hit me. I didn't hit the deer come and just hit me head on. Took my grill out, my headlight, air-to-air radiator, a lot of damage. So, what these guys done for me at Precision Body Works in Eufaula is they put me a ranch hand bumper on there. I told them, I was like, guys, can we work out something with a ranch hand? They said, absolutely we can. I said, which one do you want? I said, I want one, but if I hit another deer, I just stop at the next gas station and wipe the doo-doo off from where the deer. Anyway, that's what I told them. So here it is. Look at this. Oh my God. They even worked the deal out. It busted one headlight. It didn't bust the other one, so they put another headlight in for me. Man, from day one, these guys have just been jam up. I dropped my truck off, came back in here a few weeks later, and they were like, hey Mike, how are you doing? How do they remember me? Anyway, I'm gonna give you a walk around of the building or just kind of show you the building, but this is awesome. I'm so happy. Precision Body Works in Eufaula, Alabama. All right, that's it. Brought Penny with us. She likes that clean vehicle. She's getting dog hair all over it. Now, I gotta get me some of those hubcap simulators. I lost my front ones because they just look bad now. Penny, what do you think about this clean truck? Look at that. How clean it is. I can understand them washing the outside, but I didn't know they'd do the inside too. Man. There's something else I didn't mention about Precision. They also do details or detailing and clean up your vehicles. My truck hasn't been that God, they cleaned it inside and out. It hasn't been that clean in ever. So this is the building. You guys, if you come through Eufaula, I know you've seen it. And if you have the misfortune of having an accident like I did, please use these guys. They're amazing. It's amazing. All right. Thanks for watching. See you guys.